Hello and welcome to the Views Club. If you guys are interested in learning how to make the Views red sauce for your Mexican recipes, come join me and I'm going to show you exactly how to make it. You won't be here too long, don't worry. It's not that kind of a video.
Ingredient time. Okay, you need half a can of tomato sauce. I really suggest you guys use this Hunt. It does make a difference in the flavor of this sauce. We're going to start off with 1.5 teaspoons of Knorr chicken bouillon. And you might need a little bit extra depending on your taste buds. And, whoo! Here we go. The Views chili powder for your Mexican red sauces. Oh yeah. We need half a cup of that. 3/4 of water. And some oil. Set your pan on a low heat because you do not want to burn this chili, guys. This chili will not turn bitter, so you guys are okay, but you just don't want to burn your chili. So I probably have about a tablespoon of oil in here. Depending on the quantity that you're gonna make, you might need a little bit more. When your oil gets warm enough, you're gonna add the half a cup of the Views chili powder. Make sure it's completely saturated with the oil. Ooh, once you blend it and incorporate all of it, what you want to do is you want to give it a whiff. That smells divine. It is amazing. Ooh, that smell makes me so happy. You see that sizzle? At that point, we can go ahead and add the water. If you want more sauce, you can add a little bit more water. Maybe about 1/4 more. I'm going to switch my spoon to a whisk just so that you guys don't have to hear all the smacking from that wooden spoon. This thickened up beautifully. So right now we're still at a low heat, and at this point you want to go ahead and add your half a can of tomato sauce. And I just poured a little bit of water, that's about 1/4, just so that I can get all the tomato sauce that's in here out. Okay? Now you can turn your heat into a medium-low. And add your chicken bouillon. So we're starting off with 1.5 teaspoons, and then that way you can start adjusting it to your flavors. Start adding about half a teaspoon at a time until you get the desired saltiness from your chile and the flavor that you're interested in, okay? So let me go ahead and give this a little bit of a taste. That is so good. Okay guys, so this is really thick. I'm gonna bring it up close so you guys can see how thick it gets. You don't need to add any baking powder, flour, anything creative that you might think. You don't need to add it. This thickens up on its own. Pretty quick and simple, right? My tips to you are, if you want to make it more of a delicious, even better than taste than it already is, I would say instead of using water, use fresh chicken broth. It's gonna make a difference, but just like this, it's bomb.com. If you like this video and you like the channel, make sure to subscribe, click the bell for notifications, and leave me your comments. I really do read them and I do reply to you guys. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Adios.